What happens if you strike a match on other worlds? Here on Earth, a single strike gives you a plain orange flame, completely unremarkable. Mars is buried under a thick layer of carbon dioxide. Rub that matchbox 100 times if you like, but with zero oxygen present, you'll never coax out even a tiny spark. Venus is so scorching hot, the matchbox would combust entirely on its own, yet the planet's suffocating atmospheric weight would smother that flame in a heartbeat. Jupiter is different. Hauling in a personal oxygen tank actually lets that match catch fire. Terrible idea. The result is a colossal explosion that instantly reduces everything nearby to superheated gas. Neptune's fierce gusts, clocking in above 1,500 miles per hour, would yank the matchbox clean out of your grip before you ever got close to striking it. Pluto is so frigid that everything, the stick, the container, the sulfur coating, locks into ice long before you get a chance to strike anything. Up on the moon, there's a total absence of atmosphere. Bring oxygen along, though, and you'd spark a stunning sapphire-toned blast, hanging weightless in dead quiet. Then there's Titan, home to actual lakes made of methane. Touch a flame to the edge of one, and the whole surface ignites into a rolling wave of blue fire.